Say that one
What
already,
day
right?
is it today?
What day is it today?
Menta kasngi desngi ayu.
Sini ayu. Okay.
Menta kasngi desngi ayu.
Ayu. This look very difficult. Okay.
Minta
What day is it today? What day is it today?
Manta kisna dia say ayu. Simple. Manta kesitna dia.
There is so many words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words. Say it one by one.
No, not 6 5.
It's 6. One word. This is different. Different words. Say it.
Metna ka sing day sang kai ayu. It's like when I'm speaking Chinese language. Shillong.
Minta kasne desni ayu.
Okay. Again.
Minta kasne desni ayu.
You're doing so fast. Slowly so that they will know.
Minta kasne desne ayu.
Okay. Minta ka singi de singi ayo.
Hello Meghalaya. Shillong kumno.
Second part, we have learned a lot of new things.
Okay.
So today we are going to shoot the second part.
Second part of
So guys,
English to Khasi.
Arabic to Nepali.
Yes.
What's
and
up?
you are going to learn what? Nepali
3 languages.
and Arabic and also English.
For
So
those
this
people,
is the part 2 of English to Khasi translation, guys.
Yeah.
So previous we learned something amazing and we are so curious to learn more. So we are going to do the part 2 and comment below what do you think about this video, what any other suggestion you want to give us. And most important, guys, don't forget subscribe and share with everyone. We want you all to join our African family. So it's only by subscribing and we'll be happy for that. So your name?
My name is Subhi.
Subhi from?
I'm from Nepal.
Okay, some people they used to say that you look like Khasi. Is that true?
No, maybe because of my bangs. They
Yeah,
they
that
thought
style,
like that.
right?
And I wore their dress and kids, so that's why.
Okay, they got confused.
Yeah, this is Muhib from Nepal.
Yeah, Mohit is from Nepal also, guys. And I am Gabs from
Shillong.
not from Shillong. I'm from Mizoram, man.
Mizoram.
Yeah, but I want to turn to Shillong.
Yeah, man.
Do you know anything about Mizoram?
I know so many about Mizoram,
Such
man.
as
Such as they have their funny, one of the funny minister. They are very funny.
No, that is Arunachal
That's
Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Yeah.
Mizoram, oh, the Mizo people. Okay, I will tell you guys later at the end of the video. So don't forget, just subscribe now. Let's continue.
How are you? Pilong kumno. Pilong kumno. How long will it take? Kat no kan shimpor. Kat no kan shimpor.
Okay.
no kanchimbo. Like
Then?
how long will it take?
First
Can-
one. How
can-
are you?
How are you? Belong
One by one.
kanom. Belong kanom. Belong kam no. Belong kam no. It's very true.
You?
Shillong kumno.
Pilong kumno. Okay. How are you? Pilong kumno. You pronounce it wrong. You're laughing, huh? Once again, say.
Belong komnu.
Kumno. K-U-M. Kum.
Okay.
No.
Then tell me the next. How?
Okay, the
how
next
long
is
will it take?
how long will it take? Katno kan shimpor. Katno kan shimpor. Next.
Katno kan simpor. Katno kan simpor.
Okay.
Katno shampoo.
Okay, guys, just tell us whose pronunciation is correct because we are all foreigners. We are from different place. This is Gabs. This is Subi. This is Moib. This is G. This is S. This is M. So tell us who is correct by our name. Let us know, guys.
Vote for me. The
We'll see this time who will win, guys. See,
Guys, vote for
see
me.
who is winning, guys. This language. Let's go to the
I
next
want
part.
to see the whole comments.
Yeah.
M.
Start.
When are you leaving?
When are you leaving?
Lano pinlet.
No. Inlet.
Lano pinlet.
Okay.
Lano pinlet. This is very simple. Lano pinlet, which means in Arabic, أين تعيش?
Aina teish.
Lano pinlet.
Ah.
Simple.
Lano.
Pinlet.
In Arabic.
أين تعيش?
Also, pilong kumno in Arabic.
In Kumo
How
Pindo.
are you?
How are you? Like kaifa haluk?
كيف حالك? In Nepali, how are you?
Sanjay Ununcha.
Sanjay Ununsha.
In another term, it's like Ketsa Khabar.
Ketsa kabar.
Kabar is
Kabar
similar
is
to
Arabic also. Kabar
Kabar.
is like kabar.
It's good.
What is
News.
good? Okay.
How
So
not
did you
to-
pronounce how long will it take? How long will it take in Khasi?
Katno kan shampoo. Katno kan shampoo. Simple.
Shampoo, Adi. Okay, next. Huh?
Katno Kan Simpor. We already told
Again?
this. Katno Kan Simpor.
Okay. I will say Katno Kan Shimpor. Tell us who made this time. Let's go to the next one.
Oh, this one we have.
We missed
No,
the time.
next.
Lano
Not-
late. You have completed.
Okay.
Lano being late.
Lano.
Lano.
Let's have pronouns for us, then we'll see.
Yeah.
So that you don't complain. Say that one
What
already.
day is it
What
today?
day is it today?
Menta kasngi desngi ayu.
Sydney, are you?
Menta kasngi desngi ayu.
This look very difficult. Okay.
Minta
What
Kasni
day is it
Dexni
today? What day is it today?
Manta kisna diya say ayu. Simple. Manta kesitna diya.
There is so many words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words. Say it one by one.
No, not 6-5.
It's 6. One word. This is different. Different words. Say it.
Metna ka sing day sang kai ayu. It's like I'm speaking Chinese language. Shillong.
Minta Kasne Desni Ayu.
Okay. Again.
Minta Kasne Desni Ayu.
You're doing so fast. Slowly so that they will know.
Minta Kasne Desne Ayu.
Okay. Menta ka singi de singi ayo. Menta ka singi de singi ayo. That is in full. What day is it? Oh my gosh, I will never ask someone from Khasi that what day is it.
Let's say belong. Come on.
Belong kumno only, that's enough, man.
Finish.
So in Arabic, what day is it? What day is it?
Ma
Like
huwa
ma huwa al-yom. Ma huwa al-yom. 3 words. In Nepal,
Aja Kundino.
aja kundi, no?
Aja Kundin ho.
Okay, let's go to the last one.
What really make you
What
angry?
will make you angry?
Ka ai kaba penlong ya pi ba pin dom.
This time we start.
Ka ai kaba penlong ya pi ba pin dom.
Okay, this time
We start with you.
we'll start with me, right? They are challenging me, and they don't know that I am already the best speaker, the foreigner best speaker from Africa when it comes to Khasi language. So I will tell them what really make you angry. So first we'll tell you in Arabic what really make you angry. Ma huwa
Maza yuqdibu.
maza
Yuqdibu.
maza yugdubik. Huh?
Yeah, maza yuqdibu.
Tell them
Maza yuqdibuk.
maza yugdubik.
Yeah, man.
Okay? In Nepal,
हजुरलाई के कुराले रिस
Let
उठ्छ
me guess. About cake.
what again?
Abi.
हजुरलाई कुन कुराले रिस उठ्छ रिस उठ्छ
Okay? What really make you angry? So let's see it in Khasi.
Okay. Telling you. With you. Stella.
Ka
Kaya kaba pinglong abi ya pindom.
Hold on.
ka e kaba pinlong ia pi ba ping dom. Ka e kaba pinlong ia pi ba pin dom.
Kaya kaba pinglong iya fi ba pingdom. Pingdom.
Now it will come to me. Muhib, aka a white lion, which means I'm the best.
We don't.
Which means I'm the best among them. So I will make the point clean. What really make you angry? Hey, kaya kabab bilong ay pi ba pin dom. Simple.
Once again.
Kaya kabab
I think
bilong.
he's speaking Hindi. Kaya is that?
Kaya kabab bilong
आपको क्या
i
चीज
keep
pi
quiet.
शिक्षा देते हैं
Wait.
be bin dom.
Wait again. Now tell.
Kaya kaba bilong aye bi pa pin dom.
Okay.
Simple.
I want you just to pronounce this word only.
पिंगलोंग
Pilong.
You
Pilong. Simple.
Okay.
पिंगलोंग
Like pay long.
Pinlong. Okay, guys. So let us know who won, guys. I'm pretty sure I'm the one who won this.
Hey, vote
No,
for
I'm
me.
the
the
one.
one
I'm
who
the
won,
one who.
okay?
You guys, if you vote for me, everyone, $100. Vote for M. Just the whole comment.
Catfishing.
M.
I know he's the one who is the loser of this challenge, guys. So tell us, guys, what do you think about this today video? And I know it is difficult for Khasi people to learn our language,
Yeah.
Arabic or maybe Nepali, I think is more
Well, it-
tougher than Khasi, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
So at least
No, this
I,
is-
I think at least you are happy that you might have learned some little English and Arabic. At least Arabic, if you can learn so much, you can learn like Pilong Kumno, how are you? Keifa Alak.
Cut no budget.
Keifa Halak, or you can say simply Keif al Kabar. Keif Kabar. Keifa Halak is like you
How are
are
you?
Keifa Halak, indicating like Keifa Halak.
And what's Kaif al Khabar? What's good?
Keifa Kabar, what's good?
Yeah.
What's good? Keifa
Ketsa
Kabar.
khabar.
In Nepal also?
Ketsa khabar.
Keisa Kabar. Thank you so much, guys. We are so happy today. We learned so
Hey, by the way,
much.
how can I say thank you in Khasi? Yeah, guys, drop
Chai,
your-
you don't know.
So if you know, tell us.
Kuble sibu.
Kuble. I always say
I
that.
was testing
Kuble.
you.
Kuble Shibon.
Hey, I was testing you.
Yeah. In Arabic?
Shukran.
In Arabic,
Shukriya.
shukran. Nepal?
Dhanyabad.
Dhanyabad.
Hindi shukriya.
In Hindi, shukriya. Arabic, shukran.
Here go.
In- in-
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyabad. In Telugu. In Khasi, Kuble. Kuble Shibon. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, share this video to all your family, friends. Love you all. Love from Africa, love from Asia, Nepal.
And don't forget to vote for M.
No
All
below.
comment. Drop your comment with M. M.
Don't forget, tell us who
Yes.
won. Okay?